How to make Instagram Reels that get millions of views. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels that can actually get millions of views. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any crucial information. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. Instagram Reels move fast, so if your reel doesn't grab attention immediately, people will scroll past. Start with a bold statement, question, or visual that makes people stop. Use trending audio. Using them can increase your reach instantly. Just make sure the audio fits your content style. Step 3. Keep it short and snappy. Reels between 7 to 15 seconds usually perform best. Cut out any dead space, speed up transitions, and keep the energy up throughout the entire video. Step 4. Add on-screen text and captions. Most users watch Reels with the sound off, so use text overlays to make sure your message comes through. Also, it keeps people engaged longer when there's something to read. Step 5. Post at the right time. Use your Instagram insights to figure out when your audience is most active. Posting when your followers are online gives your reel a better chance to be pushed by the algorithm. And finally, engagement triggers. Ask a simple question at the end of your reel, or say something like, tag someone who needs to see this, or agree or disagree. That one move can skyrocket your engagement and boost views like crazy. That's it. Start applying these tips and you'll see a big difference in how your reels perform. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.